Hello everyone, let's start with the session for today's live over here. So in today's this particular live interaction, what we are going to look into that how to prepare for PL300 exam, that is Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst certifications. You have to unlock your data analytics potential with this comprehensive guide. You will get a lot of information in this video, and if you have any queries regarding that, you can ask me in the chat box. Okay, so let's start. I am Shivraj Sharma, your host and your friend to discuss on the PL300 exam. Okay, so let's check. First of all, what is PL300 certification? What its industrial recognitions? How this helps you to boost your career, boost your opportunity? Is this skill is validated or not? You have to check, okay, that what are the things going on in it. First of all, the industrial recognition of PL300 exam. First thing, right? It stands out in the data analytics field. How? Because if you heard about Power BI, this particular tool gives you a lot of scopes to go through the analytics, like end-to-end solution of your data analytics, your visualizations, your transformations, your deployment, your data pipelines. Its online services are amazing to work on data. If you have all these skills with you, definitely you are genius. It will enhance the opportunities in your career. That is what the career advancements in it. Visualization nowadays a great opportunity in industry, because every industry needs a simple and easy to operate tool, right? And that can give them all the particular options of analytics that they need. And yes, that's correct. PL300 exam certification makes you that particular expert in Power BI. It validates you in the industry that yes, you are the one who is expert in Power BI. So get into it, understand this particular interaction, understand your need, and then after go for attempting PL300 certification exam. Fine. So let's move ahead by the understandings that yes, you are the one who want to look into the PL300. Fine. So the exam overview, first of all, what comes in your examination, that is there will be 120 minutes to complete that particular exam. Some multiple choice questions will be there, drag and drop questions will be there, scenario based questions will be there. Okay, the whole exam is of 1,000 marks, or you can say score, out of which you have to score minimum 700 marks. Then only you will be qualifying for the certification. Okay. The key domains included in Power BI certification exam are data preparation, data modeling, visualization, and the deployment. These are the four domains that are specifically given by Microsoft. We will look into the content also, that what are the things that needed to be covered. Fine. Then how you will prepare or how you will plan your strategies to score more than 700 marks. First of all, understand the objective. Review the official PL300 skills measure document by Microsoft and understand what its basic requirement. What are the topics it contains? Then after, learn the tool and the concepts. Master into Power BI desktop, Power Queries, and the DAX functions. All these things are to be there in the doc. Then, very essential thing is your hands-on projects to work on PL300. Okay, that is building your dashboards, data models, and reports. That is the practice that you have to do to gain the actual practical tool expertise. Because as you all know, it is the mathematics that we are solving. Without doing the practice, you will not get the masters in Power BI. Or even in any tool of analytics, you can't approach up to that particular level. Fine. So use learning the resources. There are a lot of resources available even on Microsoft website, on YouTube tutorials, and there are a lot of community forums from where you can learn Power BI. Okay. After getting all these particular learnings, what you need to do, you have to take the mock exams, because you need to understand what will be the pattern of the exam, what type of questions will be there in the exam, all those things. Fine. This will be a smooth and easy to go roadmap to get prepared for PL300 exam. Okay, so let's check what will be the practical skills you need into PL300 exam. First of all, it is data preparations. There are a lot of topics in this particular data preparation. We will see all those topics on Microsoft official website also. Fine. Then after, the data modeling over there. Okay, visualizations and deployment. 4 modules as we discussed in the last slides. Okay, so in detail we will see all these topics on Microsoft official website. What are the basic tips and tricks to get into this particular exam? That is, first of all, you have to schedule your exam in advance, because it's human mentality that until unless we will not fix a particular task, we are not moving ahead for it. So the very first task is book your exam slot after 2 months. Okay, like if I am booking my slot today, I will give the exam on 22nd, 23rd, 25th of January. So I have 2 months of span with me. I have to prepare for this particular exam dedicatedly. Okay. Then after, during the exam, what you have to remember, read the questions very carefully. These are tricky questions, but not typical. Okay. And manage your time accordingly. Fine. That's why the mock tests are very important. That plays a very important role in getting clear this particular exam. And after examination, analyze the feedback for your weak areas if in case you have not cleared that. Okay, so that is what you have to take care of. If you have any queries regarding it, okay, then interact with me. Fine. Any questions if you have, you can drop it into the chat box or into the comment box. I will give each and every answer over there. And start your preparations. Use the official and the community resources also over there. Fine. Join any study groups, okay, that supports you to understand or gives a lot of documents to read over there. Practice on your real world scenarios, okay, that strengthens your skills with practical projects, which is very essentially required. Remember that particular point. Okay, finally, if you want to enroll with me for 1 month training program, okay, this particular link will be available into the descriptions also later on. Fine. And the payment, the complete 1 month training is of 5,000 INR. You have to pay 1,000 to book your seat because that batch will have only 20 seats with it. Okay, this is my contact number. You can WhatsApp me, you can ask me anything, any queries that you have. Fine. So now let's first of all move on to the website of Microsoft, from where you will get the particular informations on it. Okay, so let's check what you need to search over there. That is PL300. Search for PL300. It will make you move onto the PL300 examination page. Okay, so this is what you have, right? Prepare for exam, practice for exam, take the exam, renew your certification. So you can have a lot of things in it. You can prepare also. There are a lot of things that you can do through this. As you can see, if you are paying into USD, it is of $165. Those who are in India, okay, let me show you. It contains the price of 4,865 rupees. Okay, so schedule your exam first of all. Then after, what you need to do, check prepare for exam. You can prepare for the examination from here. Take a practice, or over here you can see, take the exam, 100 minutes exam. Now it is decreased to 100 minutes from 120 minutes, right? So practice exams will be of 120. As you can see, skills measured, prepare the data, model the data, visualize and manage. Fine. And from where you will get all these particular informations and all the particular assets for it. Check. Practice for the exam. Okay. Assessment test you can give from over here. Fine. Now check one more thing. Let me show you. Certification resources, PL300 study guide. Okay, over here. Now here you can see that what is the content. 25 to 30% will be covered in prepare the data. 25 to 30% again the questions are from the model the data. 25 to 30 again from the visualization and analyze the data. 15 to 20% will be from the manage and secure Power BI. What will be the content? Here you can see these are the contents. In prepare the data, get and connect to data, profile and clean the data, transform and load the data. Like this, you can see each and every topic that you need over here. Fine. So these are the things that you have to prepare. Fine. You can see that all informations are available here. And documents, see, preparing for PL300, prepare the data, part 1. You can check over here, exam readiness zone. Fine. So here you will have a lot of resources to work with. Fine. You can check on this particular website. There will be a lot of different kind of resources available. Fine. So you will get different things out of it, get expertise with PL300 certification in visualization domain. Okay, fine. That's it for today. And if you want to enroll for the upcoming batches of PL300 preparations for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, fine. This particular link is for you. You just need to pay INR 1000, okay, out of the total fee of INR 5000. After 2 sessions, if you feel that this particular course, this particular module, or this particular batch, or this particular training is not for you, there will be no questions asked. Immediately it will be refunded. Fine. If you have any query, you can just drop me a WhatsApp on this particular number. Here you have a QR code for Indian students or Indian learners. Okay, those who are from outside of India, they can just WhatsApp me. I will share you the details over there. Fine. So stay tuned, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for the further updates in this particular domain. Fine. If you have anything, you can drop it into the comment box also. Fine. Thank you. Thank you all of you.